we are going to discuss the data structures in C++. As we all know that C++ programming language offers several existing and useful features and functionalities to its users. So it also does support the object-oriented programming. With this technique, you can perform some major methods such as encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, or polymorphism. So in C++, data structures are the useful and escapable part of the programming. With the help of data structures, we perform operations on the data such as representation, storage, organization, and many more. So what are data structures? With the help of data structures, you can organize data in a particular way so that it can be used effectively. There are some more several ways to organize the data in memory. So let me tell you that it is not a programming language. It is a set of algorithms which one can use to structure data in memory in any programming language. So we have the array in the or memory allocation or the index. So in first arrays also always started from the 0. 0 is considered as 1 for your understanding. So 0 we save the memory, we allocate the memory 200, then for the 1 we allocate it 201 and so on. So what are the data types? It is just a group of similar data under a single name. So data type that are similar share characteristics and behave in a similar way. For example, if you want to store the address of a person or house, then use a string data. So data types can be categorized into two broad categories. Primitive, which is a predefined data type. It is also known as fundamental data types like int, float, double, character, and strings are all. So non-primitive, we have array structures, unions, linked list, etc. So what are the types of data structure in C++? First of all, we have simple data structure. These are in C++ data structures are further categorized into three types. First, we have the simple data structure. As its name shows, these data structures are built from the primitive data type like int, float, double, or character. For example, an array is the data structure that holds the same data type, and the structure is also a data type that hold different data type. Next, we have second one. We have the compound data structure. You can also build the compound data structures by combining the simple data structure. So combining data structures are classified into further two structures: linear data structures. So if elements of the data structures are ordered in sequence, then it is a linear data structure. Like we have stacks, queues, and linked lists. Non-linear, we have when the data structures are not linear. These are the multi-level data structures like trees and graphs. We have static and dynamic data structure. Static data structures are consist in the size and structure. It is associated with specific memory location fixed at the compilation time. So you can expand or contract a data structure according to your need during the execution of the program, and these types of the data structures are known as dynamic data structures. Next, we have operations on the data structures. So below some are the basic operations which you can perform on the data structure, which is insertion, deletion, traversal, searching, sorting, and merging. Insertion to add a new data, delete to delete or remove the data elements. So traversal is about processing and displaying all the data elements. To display all data, searching to search the specific data element, sort to sort in the ascending or descending order. Merge is the operation to combining similar data structures from two or more data structure. So next we have the concept of C++ array, which is most important terms we can say. So array are simply a collection of the similar data types stored at the contiguous memory locations. It can store primitive data type like int, character, float, double, etc. So with the help of array, a programmer can access the element very easily. Suppose you want to store the marks of the 20 students, then you might declare the variable of 20 variables like student1 underscore marks and etc. So when if you tell that you if I tell you that you can do all those with a single variable named array, so with the help of few lines of the code you can access those elements. Like here we have the array of size 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are all randomly accessed. So syntax for the declaring an array is the data type array underscore name or array the size of the array. That's for it today. Thank you.